Hello everyone, are you interested to draw this Chiara backdrop by using Illustrator? If you are, click here for the tutorial. And if you are interested to know how to use the template to decorate the backdrop, click here for the tutorial also. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to get the bottom of flower garland and decorate the backdrop without buying the template. Okay, now let's go. First of all, we need to get a picture with bottom garland. For example, we can search the picture from Pinterest. Look, from Pinterest, you can pick the bottom garland you want. For example, actually, I picked this one and download this picture. If you're good at AI, you can add it direct from AI. But on this case, I would like to use Photoshop. Okay, look. Pick and drag this picture to Photoshop. Okay, and then use this tool. Remember this pattern because if maybe you cannot find it in the toolbar, just right-click. Maybe sometimes they will hide on it. Remember the pattern will be okay. Okay, use this tool to select the bottom garland. Look at this. There's a plus in the circle. If you press Alt, it will change a minor. Okay. The plus means what we select. But if, for example, this part not belongs to the garland, but already select, so we need to remove this part off. So press Alt, change to the minor, so that we can remove it. Okay, release and select. And we can click here to make our brush larger and smaller. In some place, we need to make it smaller. And I don't need this bottom in the bottom, so I only pick, look at the line. Okay, look, the whole garland was select. And then go select and mask. To open up the selected mask dialog box, look on display, click here. Then you can see several view mode. Look. Pick the view mode which help you to see your selection clear. I picked this black and white view mode, so we can see sort of black and white review of our selection. Not bad. Just a little bit need to remove. I use this tool. Pick this tool. And here we can adjust the size of our brush. Since I want to remove the line here, some small line here, so I will pick the minor to remove. Oh, it's okay. Press Ctrl Z to go back. It looks we cannot remove this ballroom string. Okay, anyway, go ahead. And since the ballroom garland I select looks good, in a lot of condition, we need to use this Refine Edge brush tool. Look, remember this tool. Select this brush, adjust the size of the brush, use plus or minus, and paint on the edge of the object so that we can maybe this brush will be suitable for some object like hair or some fuzzy object. So we can include or remove some small thing. Okay, and then go to display. And look, I like to adjust the edge of our ballroom garland on display. Boost to make the edge of the ballroom garland smooth. Look, you can check the difference. Boost it. Just a little will be okay. And this, look, you can check the difference. And boost the contrast. The most important is the Shift A. Boost on right side to make the edge extend. Boost to the left side to shift the A inward. Look, you can check the difference. And I like to boost to the left. Okay. Now, look. Change the view mode to check the effect. Okay, I think it's okay. Then, okay. So this is the ballroom after we adjust our selection. And look at this plate. You can see there's one layer. And then press Ctrl and J to create a new layer. And look at this. There's an eye on each layer. If we click and close the eye, the content of this layer will display. And now click and open the eye. And if we want to edit the content of this layer, we need to click and pick the layer, left click. This is very important. Okay, now, and since we want to keep the ballroom garland, so click on display the original picture and just to this to delete the original picture. Look. Now we got the ballroom garland. Then go File, Save As. And we will save it as PNG format. Pick like this. And now I will name it ballroom garland. But actually I don't think it's garland. Ballroom chain will be better. Save. Okay. Okay, then look at this. Our ballroom chain will save on the file. Okay, then if you want to go on to make the design on Photoshop, but since I already make the Chiara in AI, so I prefer to make the following design by AI. Open the Chiara we made before. Okay, then get the ballroom chain we made and put it on our Illustrator. Look. Shift Ctrl and click the edge of the ballroom garland to adjust the size. I will use it to decorate this. Okay, look, this is the saute by using the method to cut out the ballroom garland from the picture without buying the template. It's hard to adjust the shade of the ballroom to match our backdrop. Okay, but anyway, we can keep adjusting by turn like this. Okay, look, how about that? Since we are not good at Illustrator or Photoshop, so I don't want it much more complicated. If you want to learn more, you can check a lot of tutorial in YouTube. There's a lot of tutorial to show you how to use Illustrator or Photoshop to make the design. But we don't want to waste a lot of time on it. So this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.